Eating with Stacy.
I'm gonna eat a lot of
episode. Today he's eating nachos.
Yeah, I already had 2 of these. I'm the fattest man alive right now.
Why you say right now?
Ah, my food. Here we go, the eating. What's so funny?
Good, here we go. The eating.
Hold on, I gotta get all the nacho chips out first.
Nacho chips.
Ah!
I need super.
I zoom in at the best moments. In a game, you should voice act.
No, fuck you.
Hey, you want me and my girlfriend?
I hear a mating call.
A bird comes out of nowhere. Ah!
Hey, yo, you want to go build that new deck?
What?
And now we cut to commercial.
Yeah. Ah!
Bum bum ba dum bum 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 bum.
Today I'm advertising. Today I'm advertising
This is what?
It can do that. It can do this, and it can do that. And it can also do this.
Here you go, guys.
Carter, you want to see my cutting back to the show.
This is pretty good.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Ah!
5 minutes, you have about 5 minutes left. Restrooms,
No.
clean up. Please clear off your tables. Don't leave them for me to clean up.
You ain't touching my food today.
Wyatt!
There's something in there. I can already know it.
No, just look at Wyatt real quick.
Wyatt!
Why would I have bread and chips?
Ah, no! Oh, it's disgusting.
I have ass on top of my jizz.
Ah!
Sprinkle a little bit of jizz on there.
It also cleans up.
Cooking with Stacy.
Eat anything you can.
First you want some Doritos. Crush it up. Put it in here and get some bowls.
Those are Fritos.
That
That's how you
was
make
disgusting.
That's how you make crystal meth sugar.
Extra cheesy.
Can I eat now?
Man, I love that extra plastic.
Oh no.
Stacy, this is all you, so you gotta clean it up, buddy.
It was all you.
Style points, motherfucker.
I need to get laid.
He's leaving his habitat picture.
Ah! Target!
Save money, live better. Save Barb. Nation.
Now give me the rest of it.
No, fuck you.
No,
You get to use my fork.
Oh, God. Welcome to the unhealthy you.
Oh, my voice
What
cracked.
the fuck?
You go right ahead.
You missed.
My dude.
Oh, God. You guys are
Actually
disgusting.
recording.
Yeah.
Are you just gonna go to like the internet or something?
Good.
YouTube.
What was that?